gonna be doing a day in the life because there's not that much else to do. And yeah, so basically today I'm just gonna be running my errands and stuff because it's really muddy and really gross and it's raining today. Anyway, so today I'm just gonna be doing my full daily routine, starting off with me taking a bath to get ready for the day. That bath was really relaxing. So next, I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna pick up some clothes, and my hair is the hardest of all, so I'm just gonna take that out last. So yeah, not much to do today. I got my errands to run, and then I'm gonna be back later. Okay, so here's the outfit, and I did my makeup off camera. Now I just need to do my hair, and that's gonna be troublesome. Okay, now that I've done my work on now that I've done my cook breakfast, I'm just gonna cook me some pancakes, so nothing too much, so it'll be kind of filling for me. Why'd my arm go like that? Okay, y'all, so I just put in my breakfast. Now it's time for me to run those errands I was talking about earlier. Basically, I have a bunch to run, so let's go ahead and start that. Alright, so our first stop is the grocery store, and we have like 5 groceries that I need to pick up, so this isn't going to be too long of a grocery trip, so let's go ahead and do it. Now we're at our second stop, and we're at the coffee house. And what else would we do at the coffee house except of get coffee? So let's get some coffee.
Hi! Welcome to Coffee House. What can I get you today?
Hi, can I get a macchiato, please?
Your total is $2.75. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day as well. I'm gonna save the rest of my coffee for later so that I don't have to go to the bathroom because I'm not using any public restrooms. So let's go ahead and go to our next door. Because I need some new clothes for the summer really badly. So yeah, shopping spree. take a shower, change into my pajamas, brush my teeth, and go to sleep.